kuro na wala namang kabuluhan at kayang patunayan. Binas po kami, hindi binas lang. To our school's division superintendent, Mrs. Lani H. Cervantes, represented by Mr. Arnel C. Gabuya, education program supervisor. To our prestigious public schools district supervisor, Dr. Maria Crystalline G. Meracap. To our humble and brilliant school head, Mrs. Jennifer D. Verwin. To our elementary school heads from District of Biliran. To our supportive head teachers, Mr. Adrian Falconet and Mrs. Medalia M. Falconet. To our esteemed guest speaker, to our GPTA President, Mrs. Crisdel Di Makiling, to our dedicated teachers and band teaching staff, visitors, to our loving parents and guardians, to my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of us. As I stand here in front of you, mixed emotions are felt as flashback of memories are inculcating my mind. I am astounded by the great news of being one among the cream of the crop, but at the same time I am saddened because today is the last day to see all of you in one place at the same time. I remembered the first day I stepped on the grounds of Binas. Matarik ang kalsada, lalo na patungong senior high. Others would not even notice I school pala yan. From introducing myself in front of the class, being ashamed of countless recitations, doing assignments, projects, researches, studying overnight kasi baka may surprise quiz sila ma'am and sir. Practice dito, may trainings doon. Mahirap pero masaya to be a student of Binas. I have experienced breakdowns due to failure, especially with most impressions from terror teachers. There was a time when I was at my lowest point of my life, faced many gross assumptions, people's opinions and everything. However, despite those negative point of views, I stood up and proved them wrong. You know, my fellow graduates, the last time I stood here on stage was when I was a Binas completer, and the line that still lingers in my mind, kay Habinas man la, masayon la maka-honor Habinas. A statement that broke my heart. In fact, Biliran National Agricultural High School is one of the best high schools where students can learn and showcase their talents and brilliance. Who knows, perhaps 10 years from now, we will see that Aaron is already a successful policeman, while Shara is a successful teacher. Or all of us has already our own job uniforms. Only God knows what tomorrow brings, and our future is in His hands. Moreover, the landmark publication which holds school journalists who competed in a division, regional, and national schools press conference is one of my families in this Binas lang. I found my comfort where I could vent out my writing skills, and I am very proud to announce that most of the members of this family are honor students, and others even excel in different kind of extracurricular activities. I know that we might not have reached this part without those people who serve as our parents, whom we love and appreciate the most in this publication. We always have our dearest Sir Donel, who always has our back, who always reminds us that being a campus journalist is also being a marites, but in a good way in delivering truthful journalism. My heartfelt gratitude to you, sir. Dili kala naging mabuti nga coach sa akon, kundi nag-aadagya pa ko friend, na akong malalapitan nga naniniwala ahan akong kakayahan. Damo nga salamat, Sir Donal. We also have our grammarian, Ma'am Erlene, who never fails to put our mistakes into something better and correct. I am also grateful to have Ma'am Melay, who is always there to support us in every coverage we do, and of course with snacks. And to Sir Jong, who is one of the best coaches of our publication, our OPAP coach, whom I am very proud of for bringing the landmark into the national level. Thank you so much, sir. To my co-journalists, the memories from our training level up to the press conferences always make me laugh and cry. I am happy because I have shared those moments with all of you, yet I am sad because those are now just memories. Thank you for the wonderful memories. Expressing also my gratitude to the people behind this success. To my hard-working all-around mama and yoyo, kamo na duha ang pinaka-main reason why I am here. Ngan waray salita na makakatumbas kung gaano kamo kahalaga. And I promise to give you both the life you deserve balang araw. To my Tito John and Ate Judy, to Carla and my whole family, thank you for being my constant source of support along this journey. To my ever since number one, my Lasho Torsi squad, Lanyog, Madam, with our baby Ali, maraming salamat. To my 12 Yumsli family, especially to our dearest advisor, Ma'am Reyna, who became our guiding light, kanang permi na nagre-remind haamon na makakaya namon ang tanan. Someone who became our mother and who teach us to be a responsible person. To my with high honors soul friends, Jean and Marian, thank you my real ones. Kanan mga tulong niyo nga waray makakapantay. To Ma'am Marife and Ma'am Milka, you are one of those people behind this success. Thank you for believing I can without doubts and judgment. My comfort souls, Joseph Paliharo, Gian, Mary Joy and Pearly, my big hugs with gratitude. To Tita Dinya, Marilyn and Dory, who always there to lift us up when everything is falling apart, thank you for being supportive. And to Mel Roland, who became my academic companion, and for being my confident boaster all the time. To my teachers and friends in Binas, thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa inyo. To our dear parents who are here, you are all appreciated for being proud nanay and tatay. From the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat. Dear graduates, let us rise. At palakpakan po natin ang ating mga magulang at nagsilbing magulang sa lahat ng kanilang sakripisyo at pagmamahal. To God, thank you for everything. For the life, for the unconditional love, for your forgiveness and endless blessings to us. You are the reason why we are here. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. My dear graduates, ready na ba kita ka college life? Malayo-layo pa ang atong daan nalalakbayon, pero maaram ako na harayo na kita ng tanan makakaya ta. Haaton bago nga simula, mas damo pa ang pagsakit na pag-aagian. Pero gusto ko lang pabaruan niyo nga normal na life ay mag-fail kita, nga mag-breakdown, labi na kay sobrang kakuri ang mag-eskwela kung diri kita financially stable. If we feel frustrated, it's totally normal to cry. Pero I hope na at the end of the day, ay matuto kita na tubintog otro nga nipadayon ang laban na aton natikangan. We should always put in our minds and hearts that the Lord promised a thing and He said, "When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen." With love and gratitude, I, Basic Rizal, with high honors, your Editor-in-Chief, and a proud graduate of Biliran National Agricultural High School, Batch 2024, is now signing off.